Hi. Day 8 and week 2. Use time on a hobby. Using time or making time to do something that you really like to do, strengthening your mental health. For example, I really love making these videos. It's not sort of, it is my hobby. I love and I'm very passionate about giving people ideas of how they can live their mental health or live a better life or live their best life. So, what is your hobby? What do you love to do and what are you passionate about? Write it in the comments for other people maybe to get ideas. For a lot of years, I didn't know and I didn't have a hobby. I made sure that everyone else was happy, but I didn't know what made me happy. So, what makes you happy? What kind of hobby do you have? My husband's hobby is actually martial arts and taekwondo. So, it could be anything: painting, walking, running, exercising, reading. What kind of hobby would you recommend? So, for today, day 8, week 2, choose hobby or do what you want to do and what you like to do. Find a hobby that you love and excites you. Take care and stay safe.